Responsible organizations recognize their carbon footprint and continuously seek ways to reduce it. The SEC has now proposed mandatory disclosure of Scope 3 or supply chain-related carbon emissions with the aim to provide investors with climate-related risks and opportunities. Consumers and investors are expected to push carbon-intensive industries to adopt greener practices. Applying in-depth science-based accounting guidelines for Scope 3 carbon emissions, we can compare the carbon intensity across different floor mat cleaning technologies. First, we will look at the truck mount carpet cleaning industry. Based on industry averages, we can calculate the carbon footprint per square foot of matting cleaned. With an estimated 20 billion square feet of carpet cleaned annually in the United States, carpet cleaning contributes a staggering 1.24 billion kilograms of carbon emissions annually, according to the Textile Rental Service Association. In a study of 120 industrial laundries, the average carbon footprint per pound of textile processed was 0.366 pounds of carbon dioxide. This equates to 0.1 kilogram of carbon dioxide per square foot of floor matting washed and dried. The United States' $5 billion floor mat service industry cleans an estimated at 25 billion square feet of matting annually. That equates to 2.5 billion kilograms of carbon emissions. The CDF Systems mat cleaning technology operates with extensive water recycling and zero natural gas. The technology requires electricity and employs a unique displacement drying system that quickly dries the mats while simultaneously heating the wash water. Using the emission factor for Scope 2 electricity, the carbon footprint is easily calculated. In the province of Ontario, the carbon footprint is a measly 0.0009 kilograms of carbon dioxide per square foot cleaned and sanitized. Comparing the relative carbon intensity of each cleaning technology, we find the CDF system is 98.5% more carbon efficient than commercial carpet cleaning and 99.1% more carbon efficient than industry standard floor mat washing and drying technology. If the entire floor mat industry in the USA adopted CDF Systems technology, Scope 3 emissions would be 2.48 billion kilograms lower, contributing significantly to climate action. To complete the Scope 3 carbon footprint analysis, we add the average carbon intensity associated with delivery and administrative overheads. Based on consecutive ISO 14001 audits of a large Canadian floor mat service provider, the average carbon footprint associated with delivery was found to be 0.046 pounds of carbon dioxide per square foot delivered. The CDF WeatherStopper floor mat has been engineered specifically for use with the CDF cleaning technology. WeatherStopper matting is uniquely optimized to outperform industry standard nylon carpet top matting with a less frequent cleaning cycle. If all mat service programs in the United States were optimized with WeatherStopper floor matting and CDF cleaning technology, a further 860 million pounds of carbon dioxide emissions could be eliminated annually. Executive Mat Service, a Canadian floor mat service provider, has incorporated CDF mat cleaning technology in all 5 of their cleaning plants. They also offer WeatherStopper floor matting as part of their service offering. When a client chooses to optimize their service program, Executive Mat Service purchases and retires high-quality carbon emission reductions to offset their customers' Scope 3 carbon footprint. When your service is carbon net zero, it brings your customer closer to meeting their own carbon emission objectives. If every company within the supply chain becomes net zero, we will reach our global emissions target sooner as opposed to later.